So Assalamu Alaikum. Today we'll learn another easy Mehndi design. So first we'll start by drawing a circle and then border it with another circle. Then put arcs over it and make a small flower. Then make spirals like this around it, as you can see in the video. You can put leaves also. Then put arcs over it, small arcs. Then you can put lines like this, curved lines to cover it, and again arcs over it. Then you can make a rose flower like this, make a spiral, like this, rose. Then you can border it with a thin line. Again the same pattern that you did down there. Okay, you can put a kaju over here. Over here you can put a kaju, a small kaju, and same curved lines, and then border. Again put arcs over it. Then make a spiral. Again make a small flower. Again do the same thing. You have to do this interpretation. Make leaves. Again border it with curved lines, and then you can make arcs over it. Then more big arcs. Again make a spiral, make arcs over it, and make flower petals over it. Again the same thing, small kaju, curved lines, and arcs over it. Small leaves, 3 leaves. Okay, then border it with 3 curved lines. Fourth will be the leaf and arcs. Then more big arcs. Then again 3 leaves you can make over here. Again curved lines, leaves. Just make it to fill the design. Okay. Then again a small spiral, arcs around it. Again we can make curved lines. Same thing, doing repetition. Now we'll fill the finger. As it is a simple design, we'll fill only one finger in the same way. You see how it's repeated from start to end, the same design.